So this is the 4-in-1 telephoto lens kit. And this package, including the tripod, which I'm using it to film right now. It comes with a cloth for cleaning your lenses and a pouch for storage. You have 2 lens clips. This one has a plastic ring for your telephoto lens. So basically you just unscrew the protective caps and then you hook it on, screw it right onto the clip like so, and then you're gonna clip it right on your phone's lens. And this one has a metal ring. It's for the fish eye lens. Again, you take off your protective case and screw it right onto the, or you can screw on before you take off your protective case. And then this way you can put it right on the cell phone. Now, this one is also used for the micro and wide lens. So when you just screw it right on to the metal ring clip and take the cap right off, it's actually the wide lens. However, if you take off the wide lens, it will become the micro lens. Again, it's like a clip that you clip right onto your camera lens on your phone. So this is like a 2-in-1 for the wide and micro lenses. It's very, very convenient. And everything comes with a package for protective lens and easy storage pouch.